Want to connect your BT YouView box without messy cables? It's easier than you think. As of 2025, most BT YouView boxes support wireless connectivity, letting you stream content without needing an Ethernet cable. Gone are the days of running long Ethernet cables across your room. Modern YouView boxes can connect wirelessly to your home network, giving you the freedom to place your box anywhere with a clear view of your router. Before we start, let's check what you need for a successful wireless setup. First, ensure you have a BT broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second for HD content. You'll also need a compatible wireless router. The BT Smart Hub is ideal, but other modern routers work too. The key is having strong Wi-Fi coverage where your YouView box will be located. Most importantly, you need a YouView box with built-in Wi-Fi capability. Let's look at the different models available and their wireless features. The BT TV Box Pro is the flagship model, featuring Wi-Fi 6 support for the fastest and most stable wireless connections. This is the best choice for 4K streaming and multiple device households. The BT TV Box Mini offers a compact solution with dual-band Wi-Fi, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies for flexible connectivity options. Older models like the Humax DTR-T2100 and DTR-T4000 are still supported and feature Wi-Fi 5 capabilities, which work perfectly fine for HD streaming. Now let's get your YouView box physically set up. The great news is that wireless setup requires fewer cables than traditional wired connections. Step 1. Connect your YouView box to your TV using an HDMI cable. This provides both video and audio in the highest quality. Step 2. Connect the power cable to your YouView box and plug it into a wall outlet. You'll see the power indicator light up when it's receiving power. Step 3. Connect your aerial cable for Freeview channels. This ensures you can receive all the free-to-air channels alongside your BT TV services. Notice what we're not connecting. No Ethernet cable needed. That's the beauty of wireless setup. Your YouView box is now ready for wireless configuration, which we'll cover in the next section. Your YouView box is now physically connected and ready for wireless network configuration. In the next section, we'll walk through connecting to your Wi-Fi network and optimizing your wireless connection for the best streaming experience. Now that your YouView box is physically set up, it's time to configure the wireless connection. Start by using your remote control to access the settings menu on your YouView box. Once in settings, navigate to the network or internet settings section. Look for the wireless connection option and select it to begin the Wi-Fi setup process. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Make sure you enter the password exactly as it appears, including any capital letters or special characters. For optimal performance, select the 5 GHz frequency band if your router supports it. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds and experiences less interference compared to the 2.4 GHz band, making it ideal for streaming high-definition content. After connecting, run a connection test to check your signal strength. You want to aim for a minimum signal strength of -70 decibels milliwatts. Anything stronger than this will provide reliable streaming performance for your YouView content. For the best wireless performance, position your router within 10 meters of your YouView box. Place the router in a central location, away from walls and obstacles. Avoid placing it in cupboards or behind furniture, as this can significantly reduce signal strength. If you experience a weak signal or connection issues, there are several solutions. Try repositioning your router to a more central location, or consider using a BT Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal strength in areas with poor coverage. Once connected, your YouView box will automatically check for software updates to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Your wireless setup is now complete, and you're ready to enjoy seamless streaming of your favorite content.